Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Just a continuation of the 453T build and converting it over to Silver Series. Since the last video, I've just cleaned the block again, and then I dry fit all the liners to make sure they fit freely. Put the camshaft bearings in and put the main bearings in, just the tops, and then the bottoms are over here, and they're ready to go in. Pulled the crankshaft out, and it's a brand new crankshaft, so I just checked that all the plugs are in it. There's machining plugs in each journal here, so you got to make sure those are in or you won't have any oil pressure. And it comes with a protective oil coating on it, so I've cleaned that off with brake clean, so it's basically ready to go in. So the crankshaft's ready to go in now. Thrust bearings are in. Just use grease to hold them in. And well, the crankshaft's in. I just have to put the main caps on it now. And it rotates nicely. All right, the main bearing caps are down. One thing I didn't mention here, all these caps are numbered. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And there's this number stamped over here. Those numbers go on the right side. So this is the front of the engine. So 1 is here, and so on and so forth. And when you put the connecting rods in, the numbers go on the right side as well. So another thing, when you're going to torque these, use the peanut butter or compound, international compound number 2. There's the part number on the can. That's to get the correct torque values when you torque it down. Okay, the crankshaft snubbed down. Yeah, I haven't torqued it yet. I'm going to get some plastic gauge tomorrow and just double check, make sure the tolerances are okay. It should be brand new crank, brand new bearings, but they've got coatings on them, so I just want to make sure everything's fine. One kind of rough rule is if you can rotate your crank by hand or freely, then it's in pretty good shape. So if it's bound up or anything, something's not right, so start pulling the caps off until you find the binding bearing that's binding and fix it. So, well, there you go, guys. Basically, that's part 1 of this overhaul series on the 453T. Hopefully I'll get in tomorrow and get some more work done on it. If you enjoyed this, please subscribe and hit the like button, and stay tuned for further updates on this 453T build. Thanks a lot. Take care.